Welcome, bird enthusiasts, to a captivating journey into the enchanting world of flying birds. In this exciting YouTube video, we'll soar through the skies and explore the mesmerizing realm of our feathered friends. Let's spread our wings and embark on this thrilling adventure together. Egret. This is egret. Flamingo. This is flamingo. Pheasant. This is pheasant. Grosbeak. This is grosbeak. Guinea fowl. This is guinea fowl. Hawk. This is hawk. Hoopoe. This is hoopoe. Hornbill. This is hornbill. Spoonbill crane. This is spoonbill crane. Hummingbird. This is hummingbird. Kingfisher. This is kingfisher. Kookaburra. This is kookaburra. Lapwing. This is lapwing. Lark. This is lark. Magpie. This is magpie. Nuthatch. This is nuthatch. Oriole. This is oriole. Osprey. This is osprey. Ostrich. This is ostrich. Peacock. This is peacock. Pelican. This is pelican. Puffin. This is puffin. Reed warbler. This is reed warbler. Robin. This is robin. Sanderling. This is sanderling. Shoebill. This is shoebill. Snowy owl. This is snowy owl. Sparrow. This is sparrow. Starling. This is starling. Stork. This is stork. Swallow. This is swallow. Swamp hen. This is swamp hen. Thrasher. This is thrasher. Toucan. This is toucan. Vulture. This is vulture. Warbler. This is warbler. White crane. This is white crane. Woodpecker. This is woodpecker. As we conclude this journey through the skies, we've marveled at the diverse and awe-inspiring world of flying birds. Thank you for joining us on this uplifting adventure.